Fine, this is the problem number 8 based on speed, time and distance. Let us check out this. Find the time taken to cover a distance of 0.9 kilometer. They have given distance, right? Let me write down there. They have given distance which is going to be 0.9 kilometer, right, by a Bullock cart moving at 0.25 meter per second. That is speed they have given, correct? Speed is equal to 0.25 meter per second, and we need to find the time, right? The time is given in terms of hour, right? What we need to do, we are supposed to convert a speed which is given in terms of meter per second to kilometer per hour. You know how to convert it, right? That is to convert, so speed in terms of kilometer per hour, you need to multiply by 18 divided by 5. Now simplify it. 5 ones are 5. 0.25 is going to be 0.05, that into 18. Now multiply it, right? So how you are going to multiply? 8 5s are 44, right? 8 zeros are 0 plus 4, 4, 8 zeros are 0. Then 1 5s are 5, 1 zeros are 0, 1 zeros are 0. Now 0, 5 plus 4, 9, 0, 0. Now after 2 decimal point we need to keep this going to be 0.9 kilometer per hour, right? Now what happens? Speed is equal to 0.9 kilometer per hour, right? And distance is how much? 0.9. So that's what time is equal to what? Distance by speed. What is the distance? That is 0.9. What is the speed? That is also 0.9. So which is going to be 1 hour. The answer here is 1 hour.